Hi everyone, welcome to the learning world of Maths. I am back with new chapter. In last class, in previous class, we have completed our third chapter. What is the name of our third chapter? Concept of zero. Concept of zero. C. Zero, empty. Nothing. Zero means nothing. So, today we are going to start our fourth chapter. Today we are going to start our fourth chapter. All of you open your textbook, Maths textbook, page number 27. Numbers. Number 7 to 10. Number 7 to 10. Before we have learned numbers up to 1 to 6. Yes or no? Yes, in previous class we have learned numbers up to 1 to 6. Once we will revise that numbers 1, O and E 1, 2, T W O 2, 3, T H R E E 3, 4, F O U R 4, 5, F I V E 5, 6, S I X 6. So, in previous class we have completed numbers up to 1 to 6. Today we are going to learn numbers 7 to 10. So, first one is 1, after 1, 2, next 3, next 4, next 5, next 6. Which number comes after 6? 7. S E V E N 7. Next, after 7, 8. E I G H T 8. After 8, next number is 9. N I N E 9. After 9, next number is 10. T E N 10. So, today we are going to learn numbers from 7 to 10. So, what is the spelling of 7? S E V E N 7. Next one 8. E I G H T 8. Next one 9. N I N E 9. Next one 10. T E N 10. So, all of you open the textbook page number 27 and we are going to start our exercise part. Exercise 1. Exercise 1. So, a bit. Trace the numbers. Trace the numbers. What is that numbers? Take pencil also. Next one, 8. Next one is 9. Next one is 10. Now, all of you take pencil. First, two numbers are given dotted numbers. First, you have to trace that two numbers. 7. You have to join the dots. After joining, what is that number? 7. Likewise, you have to write, read and write 7, 7, 7. Next one, 8. First to join that dotted number, trace on that number. 8. Next, write on. 8, 8, 8, 8. Next one, after 8, which number comes after 8? 9. You have to first trace on the dotted number, then you have to write in 9, 9, 9, 9. After 9, 10. 1, 0, 10. Likewise, you have to write 7, 8, 9, 10. So, next bit is B bit. Once again, what is the spelling of 7? S-E-V-E-N 7. Next 8, E-I-G-H-T 8. Next one 9, N-I-N-E 9, T-E-N 10. This one you have to complete in a bit. See, first you trace on these numbers, then you have to write 7, 7, 7. Write neatly. Next 8, next 9, next 10. Now B bit. Exercise 1, B bit. Count the stars. Count the stars and planets. Write the number in each box. Each box. See, there are 4 columns. One box is with stars and Again another box is with planets, and third box is with again stars, and fourth box is again with planets. So we don't know how many stars are there in first box, in second box how many planets are there, in third box how many stars are there, again in fourth box how many planets are there. So what we have to know? To know the number, what we have to do? We have to count. We have to count the number of stars and number of planets in each box. How many how many stars are there, how many planets are there, we don't know. To know the number, what we have to do? We have to count. We have to count the numbers. So, shall we start counting? Are you ready? Yes. In first box, how many stars are there? Do you know? Don't know. So, to know the number, what we have to do? We have to count. Shall we start counting? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally how many stars are there in first box? 8. Write on number 8 in the given below box. Next is planets. Next one is planets. So, how many planets are there in second box? Do you know? I don't know. So, to know the number, what we have to do? We have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many planets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, write on 7 here. Next, in third box, how many stars are there? Shall we count the stars? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many stars are there? 9 stars. So, write on number 9. Next, in last box, how many planets are there in last box? Shall we count? To know the number, what we have to do? We have to count the number of planets in given that box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again 7 planets. So, in first box you have to write 8, in second box you have to write 7, in third box you have to write 9, and in last box you have to write 7. So, we have to know the number, what we have to do? We have to count number of items given in particular box. We have to count and we have to write the given number. So, complete this page number 27. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.